270 million na trabaho mawawala in 2030. Isa itong report na galing mismo sa Goldman Sachs. Hindi 270,000, hindi 27 million, kundi 270 million. Parang may context ka. Yung buong population ng Pilipinas ay 115 million lang. Ibig sabihin, mas maraming tao ang mawawala ng trabaho kaysa sa lahat ng Pilipinong buhay ngayon combined. Sabi ni Goldman Sachs, generative AI could replace the equivalent of 25 million full-time jobs in 2026 and up to 270 million by 2030. And yung breakdown, sa administration, 26%, customer service, 20%, production, 13%, legal, 6%. Tingnan mo yung listahan, customer service, yan yung BPO, administration, yan yung office work. Lahat ng tinatawag nating stable jobs sa Pilipinas, andun na sa listahan. At alam mo yung pinakamasakit, roughly 2/3 are exposed to AI automation. 2/3. Ibig sabihin, kung tatlo kayo sa department mo, statistically, dalawa sa inyo yung pwedeng mapalitan. 270 million is not a scare tactic. It's a direction. And the direction is clear. Yung trabaho mo na puro process, puro repetition, puro pagpapasa ng information, mabubura na yan. Yung hindi mabubura, ownership, creativity, judgment, relationships. So yung tanong ngayon, simple lang. Nasang part ka ng direction?